family from Sweden, and today we are opening the new Dead Hand Terminal, and we have 100 of them, which technically means we have 500 different Dead Hand Terminal offers to review. Hopefully that means we get hella of the new gloves, because realistically, that's all we want. Whoopam! That's the first terminal.
Gloves on the first one?
Yeah, this is like Excel sheet simulator. This is just like, okay, do we want to buy? No, thank you. 4 cents. Holy shit, these have fallen off. Okay. Get used to this shit. Wait. Oh no, it's almost full white pattern. Look, just the nose here is gold. It's the last one, so if I decline now, it's gone.
So you might as well buy it. Buy it for me.
Okay, I'll buy it.
Oh my god,
But it's for me.
Oh.
Okay, let's keep going. Terminal 2. Whoopam! Ooh. I mean, this skin is pretty nice, but obviously I'm not gonna buy it. 18 cents for a purple? Fuck out of here. We're looking for a gold. Boom! Oh. By the way, look here. You can see which skins I've been offered by the terminal. So I have all the blues. I've gotten all the purples. 1 pink, 1 red, no gold, and I'm still missing 2 pinks. So 5th offer. This is our last one. Let's see. Boom. Oh.
Yay! Oh. What the fuck?
I just heard in my headphones. What the fuck? This is like actually sick. Look here. We now have seen both the reds, so we can get the bonus XP. Hey, no one cares. I am limited on the Steam balance, so if I get a crazy pair of gloves, I want to have that balance for those gloves. So I won't decline it, but I won't buy it yet. This is why you can be smart with terminals, because it's a store. You don't have to buy or now, you know? Minimal wear, just a little broken in, nothing to worry about. Me describing my ass on Grindr. Goal! Me watching football. Goal. No. So I just want to let you guys know, every time the monitor breaks like this, that's like 10 euro just gone from the world, because I didn't buy anything from the terminal. Boom. Oh.
It's just all blue, all 4 cents.
Yeah. The whole terminal was 20 cents. The terminal cost 10 euro. And now, before we open the next terminal, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is CS Money. Hello, Mr. CS Money. You wanted to see me?
Hello, we have a new 3D animation. We want you to voice over.
Okay.
I'm losing all my money on cases, Blat. What are these cases, Gandon?
Why lose your money when you can buy skins on CS Money? Thank you for sponsoring the video. 1 million skins and prices below Steam. Insta trade. Yeah, baby. So many payment methods. Card, bank, crypto, PayPal, sexual favors. Okay, maybe not all. So if you want the new loadout, check out CS Money from the link in the description. Australian Kurt Cobain. Oh, crikey, I've shot myself. Sorry. Also, look how much cash he has on the table, bro. Slide me a gold. You already have so much money. And this one, look, this is PewDiePie logo. Do you see? Actually. Do you know PewDiePie logo? That's legit PewDiePie logo. You see, it's funny because I pulled up something else.
Certified bridge moment. What a fucking...
It's the same, right? That's fucking crazy. Illuminati, Epstein's fingerprint, log in, and then...
Authorized, Mr. Jeffrey. Welcome back.
Well, former billionaire. He's under investigation. What? What? Thank you, Jeffrey Epstein. Look, I need to...
Did he say?
I did. I said Jeffrey Epstein. Ultra rare 6th offer terminal. I don't know why, but somehow every like 10-20 terminal you can get one that has 6 skins in it, 6 offers in it instead. I don't know why, but this is the secret Jeffrey Epstein.
So far, Anomaly buying skins has only declined offers.
That's a pink I haven't seen before. Look, we unlocked it down here. Yes, sir, ski. I'm taking one for the team. I'm declining this one because if I decline it, it becomes cheaper for other people. So I'm declining it. Bye-bye. What? Oh, why is the front always yellow?
Immigration lines. Sorry. Oh, there they are.
Oh, but it's battle. Aye. I'm taking one for the team. We're here for the gold. What the fuck happened? Did you see?
Tricks on it.
Why? We haven't seen... Oh my god, we've seen all skins now except for the gold. Minimal wear. Okay, this is probably gonna be a swift decline. What the fuck? That's doing too much. That's so zesty. Look. Up, Queen's Gambit. Glock 18 fully tuned. And then gloves with the stars. Glovies. Look. Glovies. Oh my god.
Take this shit off me.
You look zesty, Sam. I swear I'm not a homosexual. And then this is your Grindr picture. And you say, I'm a bottom. Okay, so yeah, fuck this one. I'm not gonna buy it. That's cheaper for you guys. You already know. But yeah, I'm out for the gold. Australian Oh my. Wait. Nah.
What the fuck were you looking for?
A reason to live. Oh, there it is! Minimal wear. Wait.
This is actually worse.
Stat track minimal wear. This might actually be worth it. It's 78 euro. I'll think about it. This is a good unbox which we can keep and maybe open. So I'm doing the next one. Wham! Gold. Holy shit, I cannot believe it. So, back to the sad reality of this. No cereal, no papers. People who come to Sweden. Yeah, oh, what a strong arm you have. Sorry. What? Hey, stat track. Hold, what, 13 euro? Oh, because you can't trade it up. Fuck! Classified, no papers. This one's clean and untraceable. Once again, people coming to Sweden. You want to keep opening? Whoa. Tier 1! High tier white gem. Whoa. 33 cent. That's a deal. Whoa! The float. Wait. No mileage on this one. You'll be the first to pull the trigger.
Mommy.
Your mom, that's a lie, bro. She like well worn at least. Sorry. I'm like, I like pain. This is the third best float in the world! For a euro 68? Yeah, so that's the third best float in the world. Whew. Oh, with a combo as well. Wham. Why?
94 euros.
100!
What the fuck are we doing here?
There's no fucking way I'm buying this one. I'll save that one and see, but... I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna need to buy another 100. This shit's cooked. Whoa, Star Trek! What the fuck? No, this is rarer than gloves! Fuck this one, I don't want it. I declined it. Boom! That's cheaper for you guys. I want the glove. Fuck the Glock. I should have bought it, probably. That's profit. But now it's too late. Oh, is this pattern? I didn't want... My game crashed. Gabe, why do you hate me? I'm doing as you want me, bro. I'm opening your GUI terminals and I'm still getting fucking cooked.
You just want to be done and over.
Fuck. We already have one saved. That's minimal wear. I don't want this one. It's gonna go down in price. I just want the gold. Decline. Last terminal now. Otherwise, we're probably gonna have to buy more. Wapham.
And then you can't afford the gloves.
Yeah. Like, this is just like... I'm in purgatory. This is hell. Whoa! Me when I... Fuck. Decline. Last offer. Okay. Time to run it back. So I got another 100 dead hand terminals, which is 500 different offers. And if we don't get it from here, well, then there's nothing I can do because I've spent the daily Steam limit that you're allowed to, which is $2,000. Let's start. Whoop-ham! Surely there has to be a gold in 1,000 offers. Imagine he gets first one now and we're just like, oh. Drinking my sorrows away.
Just like my absentee father.
I almost fucking died. Absentee? What the fuck? I haven't seen that since Merriam-Webster when I was 8 years old. Bro, group hug. Stefan, I can be your daddy. We need to get a gold before we turn actually gay. Yeah, fuck terminals, bro. I hate it. Like, there's no way people enjoy opening these, right? You guys remember this one? Oh, Australian Kirk. Boom. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my, they're battle scarred. They're fucking battle scarred. No! They're 134 euro. We spent 2,000 euro on the box. The fifth offer. Look at the pattern. 6, 7. That's covert. You see something like that show up on the open market maybe once in your life if you're lucky. Yeah, no shit. We legit have been sitting here now fucking 3 hours. I hate Valve. Guess I got lucky. I have to spend 135 euro. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna fall for it though, because I'm a sucker. Yeah! Okay, and that's $2,000. Other than the fact that the two knuckles look like I was in a bike crash, they kinda look cool. This is not the worst thing I've ever seen. Yeah, I can't wait to see what these cost when they become tradable. Actually, I think these are gonna be like $100 max, which is fucking sad.
Their original owner.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! Guys! Can I come back? Yeah, you can come back now. Everything is filled in. Get XP bonus. Get next XP bonus. Boom, boom, boom. And then last one for the gold. Only one is needed. Whoosh, boom, that's a free level, which no one actually cares about. Woi, yes, Skip. Queen's Gambit. No, Sam's! Die! Sam's! Dealer left. So now it's just gone! Can I make a Steam support ticket and just say help? Oh my god, we are getting another glove! Whoa!
It's more than your gloves.
170. Well, I mean, like from my card. Fuck that! I'm not gonna pay that much. Hello? No! Guys, you remember Australia? Ah! Yeah, so I think we've came to the conclusion today that terminals fucking suck and they're not really worth it. The last dead hand terminal out of 200, meaning 500 offers.
Don't you mean 1,000?
Oh my god, it's 1,000. We did 1,000! And I got one glove. It's been an honor. Okay. Bow. Okay, and now glove on the last one. Can I kill the arms dealer? Let me see, just quickly. What did I save? You're fucking retarded. I'm not gonna buy that. Eat shit. I'm gonna spit in your mouth, arms dealer, okay? That's actually crazy. That's one of the best items we got, but yeah, whatever. On the first offer. Oh my god. What more did we save? Stat track minimal wear. I'll buy that one. Accept offer. Thank you. An unexpected error occurred. Your purchase has not been complete. I can't even buy. Guys, let's pretend I bought that one. I'll buy it tomorrow when I can. Let's see, what's this one? This is the AWP, right? There's no way I'm buying it. Boom. No, the Glock battle squad. Why did I save this one? Oh, it's the final offer? Yeah, eat shit. And the last one. This is the AWP. 139.
Same price as the glove.
Yeah. Oh my god. Pretend I bought this one and the AK, because that's what I'm doing tomorrow when I can spend more money on Gabe Newell's casino machine. Don't open. Oh shit, he's got ADHD. Don't open terminals. They're just as bad as cases. It's not worth it. Even though it's a store and you get them for free, just sell them. Thank you for watching. I'm never opening another terminal in my life. Actually, that's probably not true, but I don't want to. Whoop him!